Welcome to video number 4 of Details and Dents. Today we're going to be discussing paintless dent repair, also known as PDR. PDR is the process of removing minor dings, dents, and hail damage from a vehicle by very patiently massaging the dent out from the backside of the panel using industry-specific tools such as whale tails, flat bars, rods, and picks. Now you can also accomplish successful PDR by pulling the dent out from the front of the panel using assorted glue tabs, mini lifters, and slide hammer. Let's discuss some of the pros and cons of PDR. Number one is it will keep the value of your vehicle. So if your vehicle's ever been damaged before, it has a dent, and you take it to a body shop for a conventional repair, that shop has to grind it down, fill it with either Bondo or glaze, feather it out, prime it, paint it, and then re-clear coat it, which if done correctly will give great results. But anyone in this industry can tell when a panel's been repaired. With PDR, we're not doing any of that. We're just getting behind the panel with hundreds and sometimes thousands of micro, tiny little pushes and getting that panel back straight where it should be. The next major benefit for PDR is cost. When we're repairing a dent PDR, we're just having to repair that specific spot. So unlike a conventional repair where you have a ding or dent in a panel, that entire panel actually has to be painted, and sometimes the panel in front of it and behind it has to be painted as well. That way the paint will match. Most conventional repairs on one panel start at $500 and go all the way up into the thousands of dollars. Average cost of PDR for a small ding is anywhere between $200 and $300. Obviously, with bigger repairs and bigger dents, the cost is going to increase. The third major benefit is time. With PDR, most of our repairs are same-day service. So it means you're dropping off in the morning, you're picking up in the afternoon, and with some of these smaller dings and dents, we actually have a mobile service we can come out to you. That way you're never inconvenienced. With most conventional repairs, the reason it takes so long is because we're fillers and our chemicals, all those things need time to actually cure. Our Bondo, our primer, our paint, and our clear coat. That's why most times we're painting, it takes 2 to 3 days and sometimes even longer. The last major benefit is something that I used to never think of, and now I see it more, is the environment. Anytime we're doing a conventional repair like painting, there's harmful chemicals, there's waste of paper, tape, sandpaper, is consumables. With PDR, I have my rods, and if I can get on the dent, we're pushing out, we're having no waste, we're adding no harmful chemicals to the earth, and it's something that we really need to be responsible about. Now time to discuss the downside of PDR. And the only real downside of PDR is its limitations. Now, we cannot fix every dent or every damaged panel with PDR. Sometimes we're gonna have to grind down, we're gonna have to paint, we're gonna have to fill, and so forth. Some of the limitations are some of the things that dictate our repairs is access. Can we get on the dent? Is the metal stretched? Is the paint already fatigued enough to right when we push it, it's gonna crack or pop off? Those are all things we need to see and address before we tell you we can do PDR or we need to paint it. Now that we've discussed all the pros and cons of PDR, I'm gonna do a demonstration on a pretty good hit on a 2021 Chevy Malibu. This car is pretty brand new. It has, I think, 20 to 30 miles on it. It's hit on its right side quarter panel. You can see it had 2 points here. But before I get into this demonstration, I have to remove the rear light and some of the trunk. That way I can get a tool on. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and that demonstration of PDR. If you could, hit the like and subscribe button. Follow us on the Instagram, like us on Facebook. For my customers, remember you can text us photos for ballpark estimates. And for people that are interested in training in paintless dent repair, you can go ahead and contact my friends over at the Dean King Training Institute. I'll put the link and the contact information in the bottom. Enjoy. See y'all for the next video.